Does everyone deserve to have internet, or does everyone deserve a pristine night sky filled with stars? Some people have both. And if AI is going to take over anyway, should we send our data centers up into space? Well, these might be questions we all have to grapple with, considering SpaceX wants to send up 1 million satellites into space to orbit Earth. There are about 14,000 active satellites orbiting Earth right now, and about 8,000 of them belong to SpaceX. Elon Musk sends up an average of 24 new satellites up into space every week. He says that many of these are to provide Starlink internet access to some of the most remote areas on the planet. And Starlink has indeed changed people's lives. But should he be allowed to send up 1 million more? He just filed a request with the FCC to send up 1 million more satellites that are data centers. He claims that since data centers are such a burden on planet Earth, they're thirsty for water, hungry for energy, we should just send them up into space where they don't need to be cooled, because of course it's cold enough, and they have unlimited access to solar energy unobstructed by a cloudy day. On paper, this sounds fantastic, I won't lie. In practice though, scientists are quite worried. Firstly, they think that with this number of satellites, one satellite would deorbit every 3 minutes. Now, deorbit is just a fancy word for when a satellite falls and burns up and dies in our atmosphere. Next time you wish upon a shooting star, you might actually be wishing upon fiery pieces of SpaceX metal that are melting through the sky. When this happens, they leave large amounts of lithium and aluminium in our atmosphere, and we don't exactly know what the long-term consequences of that will be. It also means that all of these satellites will be lit up, and we will lose our natural night sky and our familiar constellations. The same constellations that once guided the three wise men, or Leif Erikson, or Marco Polo. So what do you think? Is it worth it?